So today we have a problem. It's a pretty straightforward problem. What we have is, let me take my pen. Okay, so this problem says, if there is any duplicate element of not. So here the first we can see 1, 2, 3, 1. You can see there is a duplicate which is 1, and 1 is a pretty straightforward problem. And the next one there is no, everything is unique, so there's no duplicate elements. And here we can see multiple duplicate elements. So it's a very straightforward problem, nothing to explain. So how we are going to solve is we're going to use a hash set. Easy, straightforward hash set. Always it's better to get it in your mind that when you find unique element or identify unique element to use hash set gives very less complexity, and we are going to do problem in O of n. So what we are going to do is we're going to put every element, like for 1 we're going to put it in a hash set. So 1, then 1 is going to check is 1 exists. If 1 doesn't exist, then I will put it in the hash set. Is Then we're going to take 2. Does 2 exist in the set? No, it doesn't exist, so we're going to put it in the set. Does 3 exist in the set? No, it doesn't exist, we're going to put it in the set. Does 1 exist in the set? Yes, it does exist. That means when you will find that, you're going to return true. And if suppose there's 4, you're going to put it here, and yeah, then nothing would happen, and you're going to print false. So yeah, it's a pretty straightforward problem. Let's do the code. So what you're going to do is add it. One. No, what am I? How to do first? Yes, then we're going to add it. Now we don't. There we go. Less complex. So yeah, what did you do?